PID number in Task Manager can't be found. I tried running netstat-o to check what are the connections which are established. I saw 2 and they have PID numbers. When I checked it in my Task Manager, I couldn't find those PID numbers. Is there any way to find them?
For example, best tools to investigate when processes I know about are from sysinternals. Try using Process Explorer or CFU.
You don't need Task Manager for tracking this. Just run netstat-b, which will display the X associated with the PID.
There is a known issue with cyber hackers that have gained access to someone's computer through peer-to-peer services such as LogMe and Act. And also with individuals that give out their account information to others to actively share purchased content with another user via Xbox Live services. During which the console is now made their home console, the hacker uses the IP address to grant permissions and can change the administrator rights or the victim to deny the ability to view or change a PID file path. This literally locks the ability to see PID information from other users by using Task Manager. The get around for this is to directly use the function to identify the listening port used by the hacker and shown via CMD's function to use netstat-anyo to show the complete list of active connections. Each PID can then be investigated to identify and know if the connection is supposed to exist or not. In the event administrator rights are revoked, as we also see commonly with select ISP providers that do not support VPN connections. EA, Frontier Communications. They will block services and restrict access to viewing such path directories. Or File Extensions Act. Very similar to a social media outlet's ability to ban someone from viewing someone domain like on Facebook. User doesn't want so and so to see his/her page. Block. This uses the same functions to block access to reading or executing the request and receives a message as it's scripted on Facebook. Just in this case, no error message was designated. So the denial happens without an error or known registry response. For the PID path that doesn't appear when someone has locked you from administrative privileges to identify them or task kill the PID path directory established. You can search your task list using cmd task list/5PIDEQ, desired PID/fo table, and it will identify which task it is attached to. In my case it was task list/5PID equation 20114/fo table. I hit enter and it said plain as day that it was game bar and attached to it, so I knew it was someone using Microsoft's Xbox game bar/Xbox app. They were looking up my gamertag's IP address, which I paid to have blacklisted BTW. And they then persisted to hack me and attach themselves to my console, my phone, and my computer. I was then able to task kill PID equation 20114/F and bam. They're gone and my computer, and my phone works again. But not my Xbox. Now it won't even turn on. Still resolving that issue.
For those who try to make sense from netstat-o, it just report invalid PID. Don't try to make any sense from O option. It is unreliable. I reproduce issue 100% with Cygwin. Probably, Cygwin.dll, do some magic with PID which confuses netstat-o. I have no luck with B either. What is system? Actually it is Cygwin's light to run a system service with different PID. So there is a bug in Windows netstat implementation. PS I'm on Win 10 Ver 2004 build 10.0.19041.867, March 2021.
Continue.